So my next guest today is Fernando Islas. He's from Mirtec here in Mexico. Welcome, Fernando.
Thank you, Trevor. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you. Okay, so we're going to talk about a couple of things here today, and I'm going to start out with the conformal coating systems. You've got dedicated inspection equipment for conformal coating. How accurate is it, and what success have you had with it down here in Mexico?
It's a good question, Trevor. And one of the best advantages right now that we have seen from other customers interested in our technology is because we also apply side cameras inspection, so which increase the scope of detection for all the defects, right? And also we have a special technology on a lighting dome, which helps customers to stop dealing with shadowing issues.
Right.
So that helps a lot in terms of quality of the image. That at the end of the day, it will help the algorithms that works internally on the system to work with more stability. So
Okay.
that's perfectly more.
So are you using a UV light source in there to try and detect the coverage and look out for splashes and things like that?
That is correct. Exactly. We use different UV lights, but also in different angles. That helps also to remove shadowing or to deal with different kind of chemicals. So that will give you a very high contrast image, no
Right.
matter if you are dealing with so dense or high density dense materials that
Yes.
nowadays are different suppliers. So that helps you with that quality, that it will become less false calls inspection.
Right, right. Excellent. Okay. So, of course, Mirtec is known for a very wide range of inspection equipment. You have AOI systems, SPI systems, etc. But one of the more recent innovations has been in the field of AI. Can you explain to our viewers a little bit about what is happening there?
Oh, right now, one of the most advantages in AI is applying the auto classification, that it will reduce all the information that needs to be handled by operator. Instead of the operator needs to handle it and make a decision, is not required anymore by the AI. So AI will take those decisions, and the operator will have less false calls than they have to determine if those are good or are bad. So that,
Wow. So it literally doesn't need an operator at all. Once it's set up, I'm guessing, because you've got to set up the parameters surely for it to do the inspection and so it doesn't make too many false calls.
yeah, this is a very interesting question because in order to reduce or eliminate all the false calls and helps the AI determine which is good or which is bad, we need to make a deep analysis on the right hardware for the right application. Because at the end of the day, AI is working with data, but we are not talking about general data, but quality data.
Right.
And that quality data is strictly attached to starting with the lens resolution, camera resolution, color camera is basically the best one. And also the side cameras approach that will help you or will help AI to have more data and analyze it as fast and in a reliable way to determine which is bad or which is wrong.
Okay. So how long is the teaching process for this AI system? Is it fast?
That is a very other good question. This is part of the initial approaches for the AI. Right nowadays, it's so fast. Once you load the CAD files, the AI will teach automatically in less than 5 minutes all your program.
Wow.
So that's basically one of the easiest part of programming nowadays.
Right. Right. Now, I know that on the Mirtec software system, if you're using uh, pre-reflow AOI and post-reflow AOI, sorry, pre-placement,
Replacement, yeah.
pre-placement and post-placement, and then post-reflow, it can bring all the data together and compare it. Is that where it's the way it's working, or is it purely on a machine-by-machine basis that this AI system is working?
The AI actually works locally on each process because we have to work on the closed loop, so to feedback the process before.
Right.
So one of the best part of the AI right now, it's in one of the best advantage technologies from Mirtec is the solder joint inspections, because
Right.
right now we have special and dedicated technology to have the highest quality in solder joints to detect like non-wetting issues or cold solder issues where it's kind of hard to detect.
Right.
Or even when we are dealing with tall components next to very small components, when there are shadowing issues, we don't have those kind of problems. So now we have results where we get close to zero false calls
Right.
and high accuracy on defect detection.
Well, certainly cold joints and things like that are fairly difficult to detect. What about head and pillow and that sort of thing? Does it?
That's a good question. Heading pillow is similar to non-wetting, but it's close to the pad. So yeah,
Right.
that type of detection is perfectly detected with one of our technologies that we call anti-reflection technology.
Right.
This is one
Yeah.
of the name of our system that we are presenting this show.
Yes. ART, I remember it. Okay, excellent. Well, that's really interesting. What about the Mexico market here for the Mirtec equipment?
Oh, it's been amazing last year. So currently, this year, even with all this macroeconomics issues, we have seen a very interesting growth in different market and different segments as well. And one of them is totally we have seen a trend on conformal coating interest,
Right.
but also on solder joint inspection. Those are the most critical points right now. But surprisingly, we have seen another interest on the back-end processes before it's packing.
Okay.
So customers are looking for solutions that can make sure that they can inspect everything before it's packed to make sure that all
Right.
the
This is
products are right.
for the box build area.
Box build
to look
area,
for
yeah, it's
missing
amazing.
screws and that kind of thing.
That's
Cracks.
all the full inspection before it's packed. Yes, that's great,
Yeah.
and we are very excited because customer is showing us a lot of interest in that.
Yeah, that's super. Well, it sounds like you're still evolving. We'll look forward to seeing what's coming new at Productronica in a few months' time. But in the meantime, Fernando, I want to thank you for coming in and talking to us today.
It's been an honor, sir.